Hi, my name is Marites Lucias and this is my course project on Math 6 200 Data Analysis. Question A. Is there a significant relationship between insomnia and job performance of a correspondent? Based on the data from the table given, I made a chart. The blue line is for the sleep quality and the red line is for the job performance. The first and the second female for the sleep quality is 24, and for the job performance for the first female is 60 and 80 for the second female. So the answer of the question A, if there's a significant relationship between insomnia and job performance of the correspondent, the answer is no. Question B, is there a significant difference in the level of sleep quality when they are grouped according to sex? Based on 12 female and 12 male, 8 out of 12 female and 1 male has severe clinical insomnia. 2 out of 12, 6 and 6 for male has moderate insomnia, and 1 out of 12 female and 2 male has subthreshold insomnia. 1 out of 12 female and 2 male has no clinically significant insomnia. So the answer for the question B, if there is a significant difference in the level of sleep quality when they are grouped according to sex, the answer is yes. Question C, is there a significant difference in the level of job performance when they are grouped according to sex? Nine out of 12 female has exceed the expectation and 12 male exceed the expectation. 3 out of 12 female has meet the expectation. So the answer for the job performance question C is if there's a significant difference in the level of job performance when they are grouped according to sex, the answer is yes. And that's all for the course project in Math 6 200. Thank you and God bless.